Introduction. Hello everyone, today we will discuss Jonathan Swift's famous novel Gulliver's Travels. It was published in 1726. Jonathan Swift was an Irish writer and one of the greatest satirists of English literature. Through this novel, Swift criticized human society, politics, pride, and foolish behavior. About the author. Jonathan Swift, 1667 to 1745, was a writer, poet, and political thinker. He is famous for his sharp use of satire. His writings often show the weaknesses of human beings and society. About the novel. Gulliver's Travels is a satirical prose work. The full title is Travels into Several Remote Nations of the World by Lemuel Gulliver. The story is written as a travel narrative where the main character, Lemuel Gulliver, describes his strange journeys to different imaginary lands. Summary of the novel.
1.
Voyage to Lilliput. In the first journey, Gulliver reaches Lilliput, a land where people are only a few inches tall. The small people have big political conflicts and fight over useless matters. Through Lilliput, Swift makes fun of the politics of his own time. The tiny people represent the foolishness and pride of human beings.
2.
Voyage to Brobdingnag. In the second journey, Gulliver reaches Brobdingnag, a land of giants. Here Gulliver becomes a tiny creature. The king of Brobdingnag listens to Gulliver's description of England but criticizes human society for its wars, corruption, and violence.
3.
Voyage to Lapta. In the third journey, Gulliver visits Lapta, an island of intellectual people. They are interested in science and theories but ignore practical life. Swift criticizes useless knowledge and people who forget real human problems.
4.
Voyage to the land of Houyhnhnms. In the final journey, Gulliver meets Houyhnhnms, intelligent horses, and Yahoos, dirty and foolish human-like creatures. The Houyhnhnms represent reason and wisdom, while the Yahoos represent the negative side of human nature. Major themes.
1.
Satire on human nature. Swift shows that humans often have pride, greed, and selfishness. He uses imaginary worlds to reveal human weaknesses.
2.
Political satire. The novel criticizes political conflicts, meaningless arguments, and corruption.
3.
Reason versus foolishness. Swift compares reasonable beings with foolish humans to question human behavior.
4.
Criticism of science. Swift does not oppose science but criticizes knowledge without practical value. Style and technique. Swift uses satire, irony, fantasy, travel narrative,